This yummy tomato spaghetti with shrimps you see here is less than 15 minutes. I hope you enjoy watching this. Stay tuned and let's cook. This is a fast tomato spaghetti recipe that you can put together at any time. Here are the few ingredients we need for that. The most important one is our spaghetti. And then we have a cherry tomato. Please go for cherry tomatoes when it comes to this recipe. I have my king prawns cleaned. I have small amount of onion, 2 garlic cloves. I have chili flakes. I have my extra virgin olive oil, salt. I have lemon juice and basil. I will leave all the ingredients in the description box. Please don't forget to check that out. This is the first step I will take. I'll go ahead and marinate my shrimps. I'll go in with some amount of lemon juice or lime. Please don't skip this because this will eliminate any seafood smell that comes with it and give you that super glassy shrimps. I will introduce some amount of salt and also go in with just small amount of chili flakes. This is optional. Because I love the taste of black pepper, I will also introduce some amount of black pepper. So toast all that together and just set aside for now. Another thing I will prep is to go ahead and slice my onion. We are using small amount of onion, okay, because we do not want the onion to overpower the taste of our spaghetti in this recipe. You can as well go for just half of this onion, it's super enough, but I love onion, that's why I'm going for the full small amount of onion here. So that I will slice and set aside. Again, you want to cut your cherry tomato in a half just like this and set aside. That was all we needed to prep for this recipe. It is time to cook. Bring your pot of water, your pasta pot or any other suitable pot with enough water inside. Let it simmer on a low heat with no stress. It is time to cook our prawns first. Introduce some amount of extra virgin olive oil to a pan. Let it heat up and bring in your marinated prawns, okay? You want to do your prawns without browning it, okay? We just want to let it cook a little bit, and this is what we have super good, okay? When you are done with this, not more than 3, maximum 4 minutes. It shouldn't be overcooked. Scoop that out and set aside. In the same shrimps pan, you want to introduce more extra virgin olive oil. Bring in your brunoise sliced onion and saute till it is glassy. Bring in your pressed garlic or maybe chopped garlic, whatever you have. Saute here and there and bring in your cut cherry tomatoes. You want to toast everything until it is looking nice, then season with salt. You need salt to release the juice of your tomatoes. At this point, I would say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch my video. I truly appreciate you all. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Now back to our cooking. I just introduced my basil to my tomato pan. Go ahead, use your wooden spoon to mash your tomato or go in with with your mixer if you don't want to have any chunk in your pasta, okay? But I just love to go in with wooden spoon mash, and that's all. To my cooking water, I will go in with good amount of sea salt or any salt of your choice is perfect. Introduce your pasta, your spaghetti, and cook to al dente. In no condition should you cook your spaghetti first, set aside while you make your tomato sauce, okay? No way. Your spaghetti should be cooked direct from the cooking water to your tomato sauce, okay? Thank you all so much for still watching to this point. Now at this point, while I still go ahead and mash my tomatoes, I will introduce some amount of chili flakes because I love it a little bit spicy. After then, I will take off, just fish out every of your basil in your pan because you do not want to have it in your pasta. It is time to introduce your pasta, al dente cooked pasta, from your pot to your tomato sauce. If needed, add some amount of pasta water and stir everything together. Guys, let's talk about this tomato spaghetti. It is very simple, very fast. All you need to do is to get the right cherry tomatoes, and I bet you will have the taste of real fresh tomatoes. Nothing should dominate this meal here. The tomato should be in the focus, okay? Stir everything, bring in your prawns, and then stir just to heating it up a little bit and plate. Like, guys, look at this. It was so fast and so delicious. I hope you try this recipe out. Thank you all so much for still watching. Don't forget to give your thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the recipe in the description box. Share with your loved ones. Leave your opinion in the comment section. Thank you all. I also went in with some amount of basil, fresh basil, and that's all. See you all in my next one. Bye for now.